My favorite app application software is Microsoft Word. It is one of the most popular programs for writing and editing documents. Microsoft Word was created by Microsoft Corporation and first released in 1983. People used it to write easy reports, nature, and resumes. It also honor used to edit text, art, feature, and format documents to make them look neat and professional. Microsoft Word has many benefits. It's easy to use and save uh, time because it catches grammar and spelling automatically. It works on different devices like laptop, tablet, and smartphones. It makes it very useful for both students and office work workers to write clearly and clearly. However, it also has some limitations. You must pay for a nice to its own feature. And sometimes it because so with very n- nurture files like Microsoft Word because it is helpful for my students and training text